Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll learn some conversation about I love my country. What is the name of your country? The name of my country is India. What is the capital of India? New Delhi is the capital of India. What is the national language of India? Hindi is the national language of India. What is the national anthem of India and who wrote it? Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of India and Rabindranath Tagore wrote it. What is our national flag called? It is called the tricolor because it has three colors: saffron, white and green. Which is the national sports of our country? The national sports of our country is hockey. What is the national bird and the national animal of India? The national bird of India is the peacock and tiger is the national animal of India. Do you know which of the Indian monuments among the 7 wonders of the world is the Taj Mahal? Good. Where is it located? It is located in Agra. Do you love your country? Yes, I love my country because of its rich and varied culture and for its unity in diversity. I am proud to be born in this country. We all love our country for no reason, but only because it is our motherland. It has given us everything that we have. We are all proud of our country.